Join me to see the process of making this peculiar cement tie that I have called Cocolondrina. The pattern design is inspired by the swallow tail, although it looks like a fish tail. The crocodile skin texture I chose is a recycled material. It may seem a little strange combination, but I love it. We draw the pattern on the texture. We carefully cut out and glue it on a piece of foam board. Let it dry and cut the leftovers in the center. In the curved parts we make a groove that you will see what we will do later. We form the container with rigid strips of foam, with the thickness we want to give to the bow tie. In this case, 1/2 centimeter is fine, plus the height of the base. On the curved sides, we put acetate strips in the slots and fix them with a little glue. In a small container we mix 3 parts of gray cement plus 1 part of fine sand, water and a little black chrome to intensify the color. We grease the mold paying attention to the corners. I use olive oil because I love its smell. Pour the mixture carefully so as not to make a lot of drips. Vibrate a little to remove the bubbles from the bottom. Let it dry for 2 to 3 days. Remove from the mold very carefully. Take all the time you need. It is better to be safe than sorry. Et voila! Here we have our fresh tie. We proceed to clean the edges. We first use a sandpaper number 120 and finally a number 320, always with delicacy. Remember that the cement is still fragile. I like to seal the pores with a soft waterproofing, but you can leave it natural, as you like. We let it dry. And then, we choose the color of the cord of our preference. After trying some colors I stayed with black. To hold it, I left 2 strips, but you can use a special ribbon for ties. Here is the final result. I hope you are motivated to create your own tie to your liking. Free your creativity. See you soon.